Hello, Jordi. What are your first thoughts on this game?
My first thoughts that we knew that probably we had kind of game like this because they came with new coaches, with new staff because you know the situation about Borche. So when you are like this, the team is kind of trying to show up something more, and they came with a lot of energy. They made a really good first half. Of course, we make some adjustments at halftime to try to improve because we were kind of stuck in their rhythm, and I think we got it because we were trying to run a little bit more, quick transitions, quick fast breaks, coming because of course, better defense. And then it was a moment. There was a moment in the beginning of the fourth quarter when we were able to break the game at the end. And yes. I think in this moment, the win was clear for us.
Yes, you have a bigger squad and can play on more players than.
Yeah, of course, and
you were switching also. I want to ask you about when you play in Marvin. You were switching by both Lucio and Glenn, two fast defenders.
Yeah.
Was it a plan to try to take him out?
The question is about the
when you were trying to stop.
Yeah.
Marvin, to play fast defense on him.
Marvin,
the player in ES.
Shakir.
Oh, Shakir.
Shakir Smith. Yeah, we knew that Shakir is playing really well. I had the pleasure to play against him in Sweden, and he's kind of completely a different player because he's scoring more than he used to. And yeah, our plan was trying to control him not just on one-on-one, of course in one-on-one, but also in trying to change something in our pick and roll defense. We were icing in the laterals, we were switching. Yes. So trying to give him different defenses to attack during the game.
Okay. So where do you see Thor Thorlarsson at this time? Where are you? You were like in the start of the game, you were trying to play inside more?
Yeah, of course. One of the best things of this game is that our MVP in the last game, Ronnie, wasn't playing a lot because of the falls today, and anyway everybody was showing up a little bit more. Yes. So that's a really good thing, I think. And of course you are right with that. We were trying to give more ball inside at the beginning, trying to punish Thomas in the post. Yes. But of course once Ronnie was with 3 falls, 2 falls in the second quarter, we had to change a little bit the plan. And yes. Of course, we were in troubles maybe because of that a little bit in the second quarter because we were finding maybe not the better spaces.
Oh, okay. Well, thank you and good luck.
Okay, thanks a lot.